Welcome! If you're looking to take control of your Instagram notifications on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to mute messages from a specific chat on Instagram using the latest update. Whether you're tired of constant pings from a busy group or just need a break from a chatty friend, this quick guide will help you keep your focus and peace of mind. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your chats and features. Once you're on the main Instagram homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like a paper airplane. This will open up your inbox where all your conversations are listed. Now scroll through your list and find the chat you want to mute. It could be a group chat that's blowing up your notifications, or just a conversation you want to silence for a while. Click on that chat to open it. With the chat open, look towards the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see a small info icon. It's usually an eye inside a circle. Click on this icon to bring up more options for this specific chat. A new panel will slide out from the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find several settings you can customize for this conversation. Look for the option labeled Mute Messages. There should be a toggle switch right next to it. Simply click the toggle to enable mute for this chat. Once you do, you'll stop receiving notifications for new messages in this conversation. Don't worry, you can still access the chat anytime you want, but your PC won't alert you every time a message comes in. If you ever want to start receiving notifications again, just follow these steps and switch mute off. This feature is perfect for when you need to focus, study, or just enjoy some quiet time without interruptions. Give it a try and enjoy a more peaceful Instagram experience right from your PC.